Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another plan with me. This is actually going to be a sped up voiceover one just because I'm just not feeling in a talky mood and I just kind of want to like lay down stickers and chill. Everything's totally fine. I don't know. There's not a lot to talk to you guys about, I feel like. So yeah, I figured that I'll show you the kit that I'm using and then we will just go through it and I'll do a voiceover and maybe I'll like figure out what I want to say. But I find like trying to plan and talk is hard for me. And yeah, plus you guys probably don't want a 40-minute video. I don't know. Let me know if you are a fan of longer videos or you like shorter videos. Let me know in the comments below. All right, so I am planning the week of March 23rd through the 29th. Is that correct? Yeah, I guess that is. Wow, we're already at the end of March. So it is currently the 27th, so I have a pretty good idea of what has already happened, and literally nothing is going to happen Saturday and Sunday because I'm sure, like the rest of you, nothing is open, so there's not even anywhere to go. So anyway, yeah, we're just gonna get started. I'm using this paper crown planner. It's a printable kit. You guys know I really like her printable kits, and I actually used this last year. I believe this is her full bloom. It says there on there, full bloom kit, and I love the artwork in this. I think it's so pretty, and it's definitely starting to, actually it's starting to feel like summer here, not even spring. So we kind of just skip spring. We have summer and fall here is what I like to say. I know a lot of people from North Carolina would disagree and say that no, we have winter and spring also, but I'm from Missouri and we don't really have winter here. So all right, that is the full bloom kit that I'm using. I'm also going to be using lots of like little stickers either from my shop or from like other shops. So yeah, I'm just gonna relax and have fun planning, but I will catch you guys in the voiceover. Hey guys, I'm finally recording this voiceover. It's March 31st. I'm so behind, but that's fine. It's fine. It is what it is. This is just gonna go up on April 1st and it's gonna be the start of my video every single day in the month of April. But wanted to let you guys know that we are in the Ultimate Planner sale. I will be offering 30% off. It starts Friday, April 3rd, and it goes through Sunday, April 5th. So make sure that you are subscribed to this channel so that way you can see all the new releases that are coming, as well as get the sale info. And you also might want to head on over to Instagram. Our Instagram is @StickySituationsCo because we are doing a group like loop giveaway. And you could win like $400 worth of stickers. So I'm just saying, if you want a bunch of stickers, go check out that giveaway because it's over there on my Instagram. You have to follow me and then of course all the other shops in the loop. So definitely check that out if you guys are interested in that. The other thing that I want to talk to you guys about would be my video every single day in the month of April. So I want to bring a lot of content to you guys in the month of April because I know people are sitting at home, you're bored, you don't really know what to do. And of course, there's a lot of like news and just stuff that like is depressing. So I want to bring a lot of happy, fun content for you guys. So my plan is to do some behind the scenes vlogs of my shop. I'm going to do some sit down videos talking about sticker shop related stuff. I also want to do a Q&A video for you guys in case you're new here and you may not know stuff about me or you want to know something about me. So leave those, leave the questions in the comments below so I can answer them in a Q&A video. I want this to be strictly like just like a Q&A video, not sticker shop related questions because I've done like Q&As that are specific to that. So I kind of want to do other things, and I want to answer other questions. So if you have a non-sticker shop related question, leave it in the comments below for me. And then let's see what else. I want to do a bunch of cleaning videos for you guys. I'm really like into the whole spring cleaning thing. So I definitely want to film a lot of spring cleaning videos for you guys. I'm trying to think of what else. I don't know. What else would you guys want to see? Leave it in the comments below what videos you want to see this month. Other than that, I have no idea what to talk to you guys about in this plan with me because this week, okay, so this week that I'm like actually planning out on the screen, that week was crazy, but this week that we're currently in is really, really crazy. So it's only Tuesday and I'm just like, oh my goodness, like, can we please not? There's been so much stuff that's happened this week already, and I'm just kind of over it at this point. The maintenance people, so let me just back up. I guess I do know what to talk to you guys about in this plan with me. I'm going to tell you about my week. I'm going to tell you about it. So basically all you need to know about this week that I'm currently planning out is that James had a weird work schedule of 3 to 11:30. I was not as productive as I would have liked to have been. I designed a lot and I filmed a lot. That's pretty much my week. Pretty boring, I know. I'm sorry, guys. But let me tell you about this week. So yesterday, which was Monday, James and I are sitting there. We're eating our breakfast, hanging out. It's like 9:30 and we get a knock on the door. And we're like, who on earth is at our door, you know? So James goes to answer it. It's the maintenance people. They're saying that our downstairs neighbors are complaining of a leak and they think that it is our AC unit. So they come in, they look at our air conditioning, they're like, oh yeah, it has a leak. So they like fix something on it and then they're like, it's going to work like so much better now and blah, 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 blah. So I'm like, okay, cool. Like, thank you for coming to fix that. All right, let's move on with our day. Well, throughout the day, it went from being 68 in here, which is what it was set at, to 75, which meant that it was not blowing out cold air. It wasn't working at all, which before this, it was working. Like, we weren't even the one that complained of a problem. It was just because it had a leak, which we didn't even know about, but it wasn't like our air conditioning wasn't working, you know? Well, so anyway, we had to like call them back and be like, you screwed up something because it's not working. So apparently the maintenance people didn't actually do their job and they were supposed to like vacuum out something, and I don't know anything about air conditionings other than I need them in my life. So they had to come back and like do that, and they finally got it working again after it was like extremely hot in the apartment, because yesterday in North Carolina it was like in the 80s. It was really hot. So that happened. During all of this, we noticed that our dishwasher was not washing dishes. Like, seriously, I ran it twice. It didn't even look like it like had washed anything. Like, you could tell there was water in there, but it wasn't getting up to the top rack and like washing any of those dishes. So they came to look at that and they said they fixed it. And then I ran it again. Well, they told me to run it with just water. So I did. So then it didn't look like anything had changed, but I was like, okay, maybe I just need to add the soap. So I added the soap again, ran it again, and it still didn't do anything. So today on Tuesday, we had to have them come back, and this time they're like, oh, it's this like thing that's wrong with this, and so they replaced it. So I'm hoping that it actually washed my dishes this time, because I'm gonna be very unhappy if it didn't, just because I feel like we have this problem a lot with our maintenance people. You guys probably know if you watch my Instagram stories. It took them 2 months to fix a ceiling, like my leaky ceiling. So we have a history of having issues with a lot of things. So yeah, anyway, that happened today. Also, Dixie's been sick, so that's been kind of crazy. I've been trying to like comfort her. Like, she's going to be fine, but I just hate it when she's not feeling well, you know? I mean, it's nothing big or dramatic. She's just not feeling well. Her stomach's just kind of upset, but it just breaks my heart when she's like not feeling well, you know? So it's just been a day, a week, a month, let me tell you. I'm sure you guys are feeling the same way. So I don't know. I wish I had more to talk to you guys about. I feel like my life's kind of boring right now as far as like telling you guys my plans, because, you know, I can tell you, oh, today I was printing and cutting and designing, but I think it's like more fun for me to show you guys that. So definitely stay on the lookout for like behind the scenes videos, because those are so much fun for me to share with you guys, because you actually get to see what I'm doing and not just watching me plan it out on paper, you know. But hopefully you guys still enjoy these plan with me videos and seeing like how I use stickers and how I decorate my planner, because I still really enjoy videos like this. But let me know in the comments below like what you're into, like what are you interested in seeing on this channel. Definitely let me know. Yeah, but that is going to be it for this voiceover part of it. But obviously I'm going to come back on after the sped up portion and talk a little bit more. But for the voiceover part, I think I'm going to be done, because one, I don't know what to say, and two, I've been trying to get this done for like an hour now, and I just need it to be done. Okay guys, so here is the finished spread. I pretty much filled out everything except for this movie night sticker because I don't know what movie we're gonna decide to watch, but I fully plan on having a movie night just because what else is there to do? Seriously. But yeah, so this week was just busy with like new releases, filming a bunch. I'm trying to get ahead because I am putting up a video every single day in April, so let me know what you guys want to see. But yeah, I kind of did something different because I didn't want to do checklists this week and I wanted to have a little bit of white space. And I actually really like the way that it turns out, or that it turned out rather. So it looks really nice and I really like it. I don't know. I like the no white space, but I really like this too. I'm just like having a planner crisis and I don't know what I want my planner to look like, but I do really like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to click the subscribe button down below as well as that bell notification. And get ready because this coming Friday, April 3rd, is the Ultimate Planner Sale, which my shop is in, and we are offering 30% off. So make sure that you mark your calendars for this day if you guys want to get some stickers. We're also gonna have a bunch of new releases. I've been working on them and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So keep an eye out for Friday's video, as it's gonna be information that you guys need. It's gonna be, you know, all the new releases and everything like that. So make sure that you mark your calendars for this day, you check out the video, you check out the Instagram, make sure you're following me on Instagram. But yeah, that is it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Me